In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gemini Conversations. Whether you want to remove a single chat you no longer need or clear your entire history for a fresh start, I'll walk you through both approaches on the Gemini website in a clear, simple way. First, open the Gemini website in a desktop browser and sign into your account. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your list of recent chats. To remove one conversation, move your mouse over the chat you want to delete. When you hover, a small three-dot menu appears next to that chat. Click that three-dot menu, then choose Delete. If a confirmation prompt pops up, confirm to finish. That conversation will disappear from your list, and it's permanently removed. If you have several individual chats to clean up, just repeat the same hover menu and delete action for each one. This method is perfect when you only need to tidy up a few items without affecting anything else. Now, if you'd rather handle things in bulk, you can clear your broader activity from the same website. Click Settings and Help, then choose Activity. This opens a page that summarizes your Gemini activity and conversations tied to your account. At the top of your activity list, you'll see a Delete button. Click Delete to begin cleanup. In the options that appear, select All Time to remove your entire history. Review the on-screen warning so you know exactly what will be deleted, then confirm the deletion. After you confirm, Gemini removes the chats and related activity from your account history. Keep in mind that this action is comprehensive and can't be undone, so be certain before you proceed. Here's a quick recap to help you choose the right approach. Use the sidebar hover method when you want to delete one conversation quickly and keep the rest of your history intact. Use the activity page when you want a clean slate by deleting everything for all time. Before you delete, consider copying any important content from a chat, because once removed, you won't be able to retrieve it. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. The controls are in roughly the same places on most modern browsers. The three-dot menu is the key for deleting individual chats, and the Settings and Help area reliably leads to the activity page, where the Delete button sits above your list of chats. That's it. With these steps, you can keep your workspace organized and your privacy in check in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you delete Gemini Conversations safely and efficiently.